Picture this: cracked tile floors, flickering lights, and the hollow echo of footsteps in a mall that once buzzed with thousands of shoppers. Dust settles on mannequins. Store signs hang crooked. The food court is silent. Now cut to a sleek, minimalist kitchen in 2035, where a compact machine hums quietly against the wall, and out slides a perfectly crafted designer leather jacket, layer by layer, atom by atom. This is not science fiction. This is the next decade. By 2035, shopping malls will be ghost towns. You will not go to the store. The store will live inside your wall. But there is a price for this convenience, and it is steeper than anything you have ever paid at checkout. Imagine waking up and your kitchen has already begun assembling your breakfast. Fresh, organic ingredients reconstructed at the molecular level, no grocery run required. A drone lands silently on your balcony carrying a package you never consciously ordered. Predictive artificial intelligence analyzed your habits, your calendar, your biometrics, and placed the order 3 days before you even felt the need. Your clothes, your food, your gadgets, all printed at home, atom by atom, on demand. No more browsing through endless product pages. No more waiting 5 to 7 business days. No more checkout lines, parking lots, or impulse buys next to the register. The molecular assembler becomes the most powerful appliance in your home, capable of producing everything from a tailored suit to a pharmaceutical supplement, all before your morning coffee finishes brewing. Instant everything. The friction of traditional shopping does not slow down. It disappears entirely. Retail as we know it does not evolve. It ceases to exist. But here is where the story turns. You do not own the jacket the machine just printed. You do not own the food it assembled. You do not even own the machine itself. Everything operates on a subscription. Your wardrobe is licensed. Your appliances are leased. Your furniture has a monthly fee. Miss a payment, even by a single day, and the consequences are immediate and physical. Smart fabrics embedded with deactivation chips go stiff and unwearable. Your refrigerator stops assembling meals. The front door of your home, connected to the same payment ecosystem, simply does not open. A person stares at a blinking red interface on their smart wall, card declined, locked out of their own living space, not by a landlord, but by an algorithm. This is not a hypothetical warning. The infrastructure for this reality is already being built. Corporations are not selling you products anymore. They are selling you access, and access can be revoked. The question is not whether this technology will arrive. It will. The question is whether the people living inside it will be citizens or subscribers. Is this the freedom that technology promised? Or is it the most sophisticated form of digital slavery ever constructed? A futuristic city glows at night. Towers of glass and light, drones weaving between buildings, streets alive with autonomous vehicles. It is breathtaking. It is also a system. Every light, every delivery, every printed meal is logged, monetized, and controlled. The world of 2035 is not coming slowly. It is accelerating toward you right now. The people who understand it will navigate it. The people who ignore it will be consumed by it. Are you ready for a world where you own nothing? Subscribe to the next world and stay ahead of what is coming. Do not be left behind in the old world.